Hey guys, Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to another update of Smart Desktop AI. So I decided to do just this video to quickly discuss. I got a little bit of an update yesterday. It came in a little bit later in the day, so I didn't really get a chance to do a video then. But I figured I'd quickly go through the update that we had received. I know that if you've been trying to join through my links on my YouTube, you probably were greeted with, when you sign in, you were probably greeted with a thing that said you're now on a waiting list. And the reason is that they stopped referrals for a couple days due to an issue, and the issue will be discussed. I went and copied and pasted the note that I received on Telegram. If you are in Smart Desktop AI already and you made it in before they closed the thing to referrals, like closed the system to new referrals, this is only for a limited time. So they will be opening it back up. It's just going to be a few days. But if you are in the Smart Desktop AI software, you can get on Telegram, get in their Telegram and get up-to-date information. So this kind of helps. This update will shed some light on some things, and I will quickly just read it out here. So first of all, they sent this message to the three main affiliates. There's big name affiliates that are promoting this right now. The three of them, and they are getting the updates directly from Smart Desktop AI. And Smart Desktop AI is going to be a revolutionary software once it comes out of beta. I did fully find out that yes, it is in beta. And this note will explain all that. This note kind of goes into like a whole history about Smart Desktop AI, but we'll quickly read it out here, and we'll show what's been going on. So, good day, affiliates. We are all hands on deck to get the first commission run out on August 10th. Everything indicates that we will meet this deadline, as it was the goal we set. We wanted to give you a little perspective on a few points. Initially, SDAI, Smart Desktop AI, was started with a direct sales team calling on small to mid-sized businesses. We made a strategic decision to open an affiliate program at $187 monthly. We started to see growth while we were simultaneously working on adapting our email client from the independent business owner, so we decided to create a version to fit this market. We then made the decision to move to a $20 offer in an attempt to grow more rapidly. So that was when they went to the $20 one-time fee. As you may know, part of the valuation of a company is based on its active customer count. We decided we would set a goal for 1 million customers in 12 months and move the model to free. What happened next week, do not believe anyone could have foreseen. What we thought would happen in 6 to 9 months happened in 30 days. Over 500,000 signups. Great, you may think. And if 100% of the accounts were real accounts that could be easily verified, it would be so. Unfortunately, there are a massive amount of fake accounts. There are instances where a single person has enrolled hundreds personally, and all of the email addresses have similar patterns. Needless to say, this is the required effort of the entire team here to work on the verification process to complete for payday on the 10th. We were hoping to have more details populated by today. However, it is looking like later tomorrow, August 8th, so today. And I'm sorry that the video is being done today, but guys, unfortunately, it came in at 4:30 last night. My business hours and my business are done at 5. I don't do videos or emailing past 5 usually. That's my business hours. I stop at 5. So, unfortunately, this came in yesterday late. So anyway, later today is when the new update will come out. We realize that there are many people who need to alter some information in their account, also to still get into their account to submit their information for validation. So we want to announce that we will run a second commission run on August 17th. This will provide an opportunity to true up what might not have been received in time for the 10th. Our goal is to pay everyone the commission they earned on real and verified affiliate accounts. There is not a company in the world that would pay for fake accounts, nor will we. They 100% will need to be verified. To be a verified account. To the final point, we know many of you desire to use SDAI system just for your business, and we apologize to you. As with all the fake accounts being submitted, the manpower in the house has been 100% shifted to complete the affiliate commission runs first. After these are complete, the attention will be shifted back to the finalization of the SDAI system. We do appreciate everyone's patience as we do everything we can to deliver on all deliverables that have been presented. And we just wanted to share a little context with you so you are aware of what we are dealing with, and yet also our commitment to delivering for all of our SDAI affiliates. Lastly, for those who are serious, so this is just talking about the school group. This is where you can get into like webinars and stuff. And get some extra information. This you don't need to worry about. Like that part I shouldn't have copied because it was just about the school community. That's what it's called. But we don't need to really worry about that. So yeah, that's basically what happened. They were trying to grow rapidly. They had $1 million investor and things like that, and they opened it for free to try and attract more customers. However, in doing so, they also attracted people that decided to take advantage of this great software and the affiliate program, which was for free as of last week. I have to say I am actually very, very ashamed of any of those affiliates that came in and thought, I'm going to start up 100 accounts under my name, okay? And I'm going to make them all different email addresses just to make money, okay? Shame on you guys for making this like this business, this great industry that we are part of. Shame on you for trying to make that a game. Affiliate marketing, you're still a salesperson, okay? Affiliate marketing is something that should be taken seriously. It's not something that should be treated as a game, okay? It's not a game. You will be found out on these types of things if you go and make several accounts. You cannot even do anything like that in ClickBank. Like you can have multiple accounts doing affiliate marketing, but you cannot go and buy certain things yourself just so you can make money, like make half the money back or something. I don't know who in their right mind thought that that was a great idea, because now you've gone and screwed up the system, not just for us affiliates that are actually taking this seriously and actually going out and promoting the way we should, but you've also gone and halted the software and halted everything that they're trying to accomplish by making this marketing software that's going to change the world, that's going to be the future of AI and the future of our businesses. You have halted that, and you should be ashamed of yourself. I don't know who thought that was a great idea. Like my wife and I have been talking about it the last few days, and we've both been sitting here shaking our heads going, why? Okay, I'm going to tell you a little history myself about SDAI. Guys, in 7 days, I had 97 signups. In 7 days, okay? So for those of you who went and created hundreds of accounts, why couldn't you go out and get those 97 to 100 accounts yourself? It's not that hard. Welcome to the thrill of the hunt. That's what I like to call it, and that's what I say to my wife all the time when we're talking about it, is the thrill of the hunt. That's affiliate marketing. That's how you do sales. You go out, you bust your butt every single day, you show up, you do your job, and you do it to the best of your ability, and you get signups. Okay? It actually disgusts me when people are saying you're taking this job and making it a joke and saying they're going, well, I want money and I don't have a lot of money in my pocket right now, so I'm going to try and get money with a free product and get, $60 per referral, but it's all going to be me. But I'm going to be signing up a bunch of accounts. You're an idiot. I'm sorry. I don't like doing that over the internet as a business owner. But those people that have taken this and treated it as a game, you have gone and disrespected the actual business model that is here. And you should be ashamed of yourself. You really should. This is to be a salesman or a sales lady nowadays, it's still a very much prestigious. It doesn't matter if it's affiliate marketing or you're actually on a sales team working for Amazon or something like that. Sales are different in Amazon, but you know what I'm trying to say. It's still a very lucrative and highest earning, not highest earning. I don't know how to explain it. What I'm trying to say is it's a very lucrative or a very prestigious industry to be part of a sales team and stuff like that. It's a very salesmen and sales ladies over a course of a year do tend to make more. Those who are commission based, they do tend to make more. Okay, so salespeople that are commission based do make more, and it's a very prestigious thing. When you own your own sales business, okay, and you are selling online or offline, whatever you're doing, phone calls, it doesn't matter. To be a salesperson is a very prestigious industry, in my opinion, and it should be treated seriously. It should be treated with dignity, and you know what? This is a job, okay? I'm going to put it to you this way. It's a job. Go out and do your job right. Go out and do your job properly. Don't try and cut corners by making multiple accounts. You're going to get found. I've never seen anything so ridiculous in my life. You guys just basically, you might have just ruined it for everyone. And you have yourself to blame. For those who are actually serious about this, though, I just wanted to let you guys know, I will give you guys updates on this channel as I receive them. That's my commitment to you guys, because I am very much so drawn in by this software. Nothing has caught my eye in the past year and 8 months since I started affiliate marketing than this product right here. It's very lucrative and very it's still mind blowing. My wife and I were talking about it last night, and I said it's a software that, like, AI when it came out, I was like, okay, and I've said this many times in my videos in the last few days about smart desktop AI. This came out and I was excited for it. I was excited because I saw the potential. I know that the software is still very much in beta and we can't use it to its full potential yet. The prototype they are using right now themselves, but they're still throwing updates and stuff into it to make it better. Okay, so this is still being developed, but we are on the ground level. That is the thing. But I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update, just talk about, what happened. I'm still shocked. I don't know who in their right mind thought this was going to work by making hundreds of accounts. Like, this is like a job. You should be treating it like such. And that's technically theft. That's stealing. Okay? That's stealing, and that is, if you're that hard up for cash, go and do what the rest of us are doing to make money online. We are actually earning money online because we're going out and busting our butts every day. Okay? End of that rant. I'm done with that rant because it makes me angry. I don't know. It's just annoying. But anyway, guys, so I just thought I'd share that update with you. I hope that you guys are still very much so interested in this software. I'm very much so still very interested in this software. It will be back. Like I said, I'll keep giving you guys video updates as they come in. Like I said, my channel here in my business and my channel, I'm going to be committed to giving you guys updates because I really love this software. I really love what they've done with the affiliate program. I have never seen anything like this. Like, I've seen free products, sure, but I have never seen free products that offer you $60 up front for getting people to sign up under you for free. Okay, so when they sign up under you for free, you get $60. Like, never have I seen an affiliate program like that. Never will you see an affiliate program like that ever again, because most people, what they said that they started with, the 187 a month, that's usually what most companies that want you to affiliate for them, any of the big ones anyway, that's what they want you to pay just to get access to their system to affiliate for them. That's just the way it is. It's either that or you become a super affiliate, which I'm working on right now. You become a super affiliate and you get invited to sell those products because they know that you have a list for it. But those are the only two ways you can promote really good products. The fact that they went and released this for free, it was like, you just gave a very lucrative business model, a very lucrative affiliate program, and it's just crazy. So as updates come in, guys, I will be committed to helping you guys out and giving you guys updates on this. It is still very much so lucrative affiliate program and software. I have nothing but good things to say about it, and I cannot wait to see the finished product once it comes out of beta. Like 50 leads a day, we're talking. Being able to email, like this software will be able to email clients for you. It will be able to close sales for you and make you sales. It's just, it's the turning point, guys. This is the future. I'm still like giddy about it. I've actually been like getting the butterflies in my stomach because of how exciting this is. I don't know if that's the right way to explain it, but you know what I'm trying to say. Like it's just, it gives me that exciting feeling. Like I even was talking to a friend the other day, and I was talking about it, and I was telling them about it, and I was getting giddy talking to them about it because I'm like, this is the future. I've never been excited for the future before. I mean, yeah, I love technology, but I think that sometimes technology screws things up in the world. But this I'm actually very excited for, and I can see some good things coming out of it. So anyway, my channel is committed to giving you guys updates as they come in. I will try my best to get those updates out to you. If one comes in at like 5 o'clock again today, sorry, but the video won't be done until tomorrow, guys. So other than that, you guys have a great day. I hope that you guys are out there slaying it this week. I hope that you guys are making money, and make sure right now at the end of the video should be showing my recommended picks for videos. Check out my lead gen, the My Lead Gen Secret case study that I have. I go through a way to make money there, and I strongly recommend it, guys. I strongly recommend taking a look at that because I do make money with that platform. It is a good lead generation tool, and it does. They do buy. The leads on that system buy. The leads that you get every day buy. So it is a really good system. Check that case study out. Other than that, I will try and be back tomorrow with another video. Things have been really busy the last couple of days, so I'm trying to get things, I'm trying to do videos and emails and everything else. So, just bear with me. But you guys have a great day, and cheers.